Jai Srimanarayana, 8th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nahi prapasyami mama apanudyat echokam uchoshanam indriyanam avapya bhumau asapatnam ruddham rajyam suranam apicha adhipatyam. Om. Unable to understand the very ultimate purpose of life is highest grief. To drive away that grief, seek refuge in Jagadguru Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking everyone to surrender to him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I seek refuge in your feet. Please drive away my grief. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti saying to Sri Mahavishnu like this, O Prabhu, I am not scared of anything but defame. I cannot endure any sort of defame. Now, whatever the punishment that you are giving me, yes, that is definitely, it is my fortune. Because yamna mata pita bhrata suhrudascha tallidanrulu annadamulu chelikanru guruvulu sikshimpa koratabadune pidapamela gugaka. Parents, brothers and acharyas, teachers, whatever the punishment that they give, definitely that will be good for us. So also, you are such a great personality. You are giving me punishment. You are ordering me. This is a greatest luck to me, greatest fortune to me. And also, Bhagavan, you are such a great well-wisher to the entire Asura Jati, the dynasty. You act like, you pretend like you are an enemy to us, but all the things that you do will give us so much of good result. O Paramatma, you have removed my ahankaram, arrogance, and with your kataksham you bestowed jnanam to me. Whatever the divine appearance all the great people out of their tapasya get, the divine appearance of you, all these demons, all the asuras are getting by having animosity with you. O Sriman Narayana, you are Supreme Personality. If you tie up me, if you punish me, that is definitely a great honor to me. Like that Bali Chakravarti talking to Sri Mahavishnu. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasetravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamaam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 8th sloka. Nahi prapasyami mamapanudyat ichchokamuchchoshanam indriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatnamruddham Rajyam suranam apicha adhipatyam. Nahi prapasyami mamapanudyat ichchokamuchchoshanamindriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatnamruddham rajyam suranam apicha adhipatyam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.